This time we will go back from Disneyland Resort Hong Kong to our hotel using Hong Kong's MTR. We enter the Disneyland Resort MTR station ticket gates using our octopus card. At this time, the escalator is under maintenance, and so we have to use these stairs in going down to the train platform. At the train platform, we found a notice that we have to use the footbridge in going to the train platforms going towards Hong Kong. Now, this is a very important information, as if you will not follow it, you will end up going to Tung Chung. To help us illustrate this information, we can use the browser such as the Google Chrome and go to www.mtr.com.hk/en/customer/main. On the origin or from input box, we select Disneyland Resort, and on the destination or to input box, we select TsimSha Tsui. Then when we click search and click details, we will see the whole train journey route. When we click the information icon for Sunny Bay Station and then click station facilities, we will see the station layout for Sunny Bay Station. From here we can see that after getting down the Disneyland Resort line train, if we just walk ahead, we will end up riding the train going to Tung Chung. We have to go up using the footbridge in order to go to the train platform of the Tung Chung line going towards Hong Kong, as it is actually on the other side. The Disneyland Resort line train has arrived. This train will take us to Sunny Bay Station.
Welcome to the Disneyland Resort line. We now bring you back to the modern city of Hong Kong. Thank you for traveling on the Disneyland Resort line.
At the Sunny Bay Station, we get down to transfer train and ride the Tung Chung line train going towards Hong Kong. We have to go up and cross to the other side using the footbridge, as the Tung Chung line train going towards Hong Kong is on the other side. At the Liking station, we get down to transfer train and ride the Tsuen 1 line train going towards Central Station.
We are here now in Liking train station. Liking station.
Yeah, and then we are going to the other side.
We're going here now.
Going to the other side there. That is the Tsuen 1 line
Train 1 line.
to Central Station.
Central Station.
After riding the Tsuen 1 line train going towards Central Station, we get down on our final destination, which is the TsimSha Tsui station. We exit the Tsuen 1 line at the TsimSha Tsui station using our octopus card. At the TsimSha Tsui station, you will also find shops and convenience stores selling groceries and other things. Now that we are at the TsimSha Tsui station, all we have to do is to find our exit using the signboards, such as in this example where we will use exit number N5, which is going to Holiday Inn Golden Mile. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel.